Hi, in this tutorial I will be focusing on the side panel and about its functions. But first of all, we're going to need to connect to the wallet and Web3 login. To be able to connect your wallet, you're going to have to click the connect icon. And after you've done that, you can choose three wallets. The Metapro wallet, which is our wallet, the MetaMask wallet, and any wallet connect. I'm going to be using Metapro here. And then as you can see, I have a QR code which I need to scan. So I'm going to open the Metapro wallet mobile app and tap on the top right chain icon, which lets me scan the QR code. And after I've done that, I click connect and then enter my passcode. And after I've done that on my phone, I have this Web3 login icon, which I click. And then I have to sign the message on my phone. And then as you can see, I am logged in. Also with a blue tick here. And you can also check that you're logged in on the phone, because there is a green circle around the chain icon. So now that we are logged in, I can start explaining the functions of the side panel right here. So as you can see, this function over here shows the chain that you are connected with. This function shows your wallet. This function shows the wallet you are connected with, and this option allows you to log out. This function shows your total balance, and this option allows you to refresh your wallet balance, and this option here allows you to buy crypto with your bank card. And then as you can see, this option here displays tokens from 3 chains, and if you click here, as you can see, this option displays your last 3 NFT tokens. And then you can also transfer the tokens by clicking here, and you can choose which one, as well as sell them. You just click here and sell whichever you want. And there's also an option here which lets you see all your NFT assets.